So here we are in Goderich, and this is the end of Parsons Court. Kind of an industrial add-on they've done. This all used to be Farmer's Field, I'm pretty sure. Still kind of is. But it looks like they have everything serviced here. So there may be plans for other people, other businesses moving in. Right here is just a roundabout at the end. That's the end, fire hydrant right there, everything's serviced. Looks like this is used as a donut lot, which is pretty funny. There's a lot of ruts, so people are just ripping it up with their trucks and stuff. There's the Rogers cell tower over there. That's right behind the LCBO and Old Shoppers Drug Mart. There's a big new sawmill right behind those trees over there. I'll show you in a minute. So there's that tree line we were just looking at. I was way back there. Then all these are serviced too. There's Parsons Court, and then right here, monster building, huge sawmill. Actually, pretty small sawmill, I guess, compared to what I've seen before. Yeah, there's a lot beside it too. But yeah. So it's owned by Lakeshore Products. So the sawmill's owned by Lakeshore Forest Products Limited. They have a sawmill a few hours away, I think. So this is the view from Google Street View right now, and right along here is just all corn, farmer's field. So they've ripped it all apart and made that. Supposedly this has been sitting for a year without being used, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Anyways, thanks for watching.